Hi everyone, I am so excited for today's video because it is finally time to clean the house, get photos, and get it listed. Yes, I literally have like a few more things to do, like touch up. We gotta hang a couple shelves and do a few little things like that. And then we have some things to do on the outside. But other than that, everything's done. Everything's installed. Everything's ready to go. It just all needs to be cleaned. And then I can get pictures like so that we can list it. And then I'm gonna send them off to the realtor and finally we will get this house sold. Oh my God, it's been so long. It's been way too long. But that's what we're doing today. Let's go ahead and get started. So excited.
So anytime we're getting ready to list a house, I always go through and make sure that it's nice and clean before we put it on the market. I just want to make sure that when buyers walk in here, it seems almost like a brand new house. So that's kind of what I spend the last few days doing, is getting the house ready for showing. This time around, I actually decided to put curtains up on all of the front windows, and I did that for a couple of reasons. This house in particular faces the sun in the evening. That's really good for natural lighting, obviously, but not so much for heating and cooling. And so this house would tend to get super duper hot in the evenings just because of the sun. So I wanted to put up some curtains to kind of block that heat out. I also wanted to cover the windows because I didn't want people to actually be able to come and look inside the house. You know, a lot of times when a house goes up for sale, people are kind of looking on Zillow or wherever, and as soon as the house goes up, instead of making an appointment, they'll just kind of drive by the house, get out, look in the windows, and do things like that. I didn't want anyone to be able to do that. I wanted them to have to schedule an appointment to come in. My whole theory behind that is if I can get them in the house, they can see the details, they can see how nice the house looks, how clean it is, they're more likely to buy it then at that point. One of the last things I had to do to finish up the house was actually clean this laundry room tile. And this was a tile that was originally in the house when we bought it. We decided to keep it because it actually seemed like it was in fairly good condition, other than the fact that it was really dirty and it had been neglected for a while. So I figured I would just get down and scrub it and see if I could get it to look pretty nice. And here I'm just using Barkeeper's cleaner. It's really good for any type of tile. And the cleaning itself didn't actually take a whole lot of time. The bigger problem was there was all this sticky residue on the floor where they had put some like carpet tape down, and having to scrub that off, which I'm sure this has been there for years, that took me forever. But by the end of it all, the tile looked great. I was pretty happy with it.
Hi everyone. Y'all know I only sit in front of a nice, fancy, expensive camera if I have something super important to share with y'all. And that important thing would be that the flip house is finally done. Thank God. Oh my God, it took us so long to finish this house. I am so happy to be done. Like, you don't even know how happy I am to be finished with this house. But it's on the market. Hopefully it'll get sold quickly. But besides all that, this is when y'all get to finally see what it looks like. I am very happy with how it came out. I hope y'all love it. So let's just get the tour going.
So that is the house. I am super happy with it. Like I said, I think it came out so cute, and hopefully it'll be somebody else's house soon because I want this thing out of my hands, never to return. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you like it, if you loved it, if you hated it. Yeah, if you have any questions, also feel free to ask. I will be doing a video over all of like the finances once it sells and everything closes. I'll do that video. That way you guys can see how much we bought the house for, how much the renovations cost, and then obviously what everybody wants to know, how much profit we made. I just want to say thank y'all so much for watching again. I get so many questions about the flip houses outside of my videos, when I'm going to put out a new video, when I'm going to put out an update, and I try my best, y'all. My life is crazy hectic, and I literally try my best to get videos out. Sometimes it's just not in the cards for me every week, but thanks for even sticking around and being so supportive. If you guys like the way the house turned out, make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe so that you can see all of the financials for this flip house. Until another video, I will see y'all soon. Thank y'all so much. Bye.